Have you been considering relocating to Logan, Utah or the surrounding areas? Curious about what type of work you can find in Logan? Have you been wondering about the job market and what employers are hiring? You're in the right place. We've compiled a list of the 6 of the major employers in Logan, so you know exactly what kind of jobs there are if you're looking to move to Logan, Utah.
Hopefully, if you are relocating from another state, looking to start over, or just to transfer in your same position, this video will give you a reference of some employers that you could consider. In this video, we're going to break down the 6 major employers here in Logan, Utah.
If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living, eating, sleeping, working, and playing in northern Utah and cities like Logan, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in northern Utah.
We are Sloane and Petersen with the Petersen Group. We've been in the real estate market for a little over 10 years, and every day we help people just like you looking to buy and sell in northern Utah, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to buy in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information's in the description below, so we can help make that smooth move to northern Utah and cities like Logan, Utah.
Now, we've talked about some of the highest paying jobs in Logan, but we really wanted to explore different job opportunities at every level and pay scale. So if you are looking to move to Logan, you can really see some of the opportunities for employment here in Logan. So obviously, one of the biggest employers in the area is Utah State University. Now, if you've watched our Logan vlog, which you can find here, you know that Logan is a university town, and Utah State University is a large university that employs faculty, staff, and administrative personnel across a variety of fields. They did get a 4.3 out of 5 stars for their working environment, which is pretty good for an employer of their size and scale. And one thing about working for a university is you usually get great benefits and sometimes even heavily discounted classes and things like that.
All right, so number 2 is going to be the Cache Valley Hospital. They employ healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, and administrative personnel. Obviously, any city that has a major hospital is going to have a lot of positions open, even some with part-time work. They seem to have great benefits as well, and according to their website, they do offer tuition assistance, scholarship for dependents, and they have great health and leave benefits as well. So it's a good place to check out if you are looking for employment in the Logan area.
I always think it's super awesome when you have an employee that's willing to help with education. That shows that they want to grow you in their business.
Yeah, definitely. Instead of just keeping you stifled in whatever position you are, you definitely want something with some sort of advancement.
Okay, so another big company out of Logan is Icon Health and Fitness, which is a fitness equipment manufacturer that employs engineers, designers, and production workers. Icon's roots date back to 1977 when 2 Utah State University business majors, Scott Watterson and Gary Stevenson, began a small import company. Their company, Westlow, manufactured mini trampolines and created Proform Fitness as an additional brand name. Now they are an international company based out of Logan, Utah.
All right, and the next company is going to be Thermo Fisher Scientific. So they're a biotechnology company that employs scientists, engineers, and technicians. They do offer a wide array of services to laboratories across the country, so they're always looking for talent to help support their clients.
Yeah, and jobs like these are actually really awesome. I used to work at a company that supported laboratories when I was in college, and it is a really great way to get experience, and they usually have a good benefits package.
Yeah, definitely. Like we talked about above, companies like that also will offer some sort of tuition. So if you are wanting to go into higher up, like, into research and things like that, they can help you bridge that gap in education.
Okay, so another big company always hiring is Schreiber Foods, which is a food manufacturing company that employs production workers, engineers, and administrative personnel. According to their website, they have a work culture of caring, partnership, and customer commitment. They also do internships. So if that's something you're interested in, getting that real world experience while you're a student, definitely check out this company.
Okay, and the last one we're going to talk about today is the Merit Medical Systems. It's a medical device company that employs engineers, sales professionals, and administrative personnel. According to their website, their mission is to create innovative medical devices that improve lives, and their goal is to hire and develop people who want to build something special through hard work, team effort, and commitment. And together they are making a difference in lives of patients around the world. They are an international company and they do have a lot of virtual positions available as well if you are looking to work from home.
I know a lot of people are looking to work from home these days, so that's really awesome. And I also love when a company puts their mission statement out there because they're making a really big claim, right? Like to the public, we want everybody to know if you work here, this is what we strive for.
Absolutely. We didn't mention a lot of like other jobs, right? These are going to be the top paying jobs that you don't necessarily even need a degree to do. But there are a lot of other income jobs that can produce well in Logan. They do have a lot of just your regular retail and restaurants and things like that you can get a job if you're wanting part-time work or just something to get you out of the house if you're retired. There's definitely lots of other options that you can consider as well.
Yeah, these were kind of just the biggest employers in Logan, Utah.
Now, obviously, this is just a small handful of the jobs available here in Logan. These are just some of the major companies that do bring a lot of jobs into the city. In addition to these major employers, Logan and the surrounding areas also have a growing tech industry, with companies like Lucent Software and Maloof leading the way. There are also opportunities in education, in government, retail, and tourism, just to name a few other options.
We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Picking where you'll call home is an important decision, and we would love to help you make that smooth transition here to Utah and cities like Logan. If you're looking to purchase in the northern Utah area, we would love to help you out. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and until next time, we are keeping it real. Estate.